Hi, this is Brett Stacks. Today I'm going to be covering our collision detection command. This is a feature you won't have to use very often, but on occasion you may find yourself in a situation where you want to use it so that you can avoid going out to some external applications such as Navisworks. So I'm going to start here by placing hangers, just to give us some hangers to work with. This feature does only work on hangers, and more specifically only on hanger rods. So if we look here, we can see that we clearly do not have a collision. Our software has done the job for us of resolving the collision. However, if I want to manually move this out here just to show you what happens here, if we run the collision detection, you can see that it's now picked up a clash and it's highlighted that for us. If we check that in 3D, you can see again that we clearly have a clash. Now, one of the things that I want to warn you about is that this collision detection tool only works against the rod itself. So by saying that, what I want to show you is if we take this ductwork now and we lower the ductwork to an elevation where it's actually into the clevis hanger. So I'm going to go to 9'9". So now we can see that that ductwork is colliding with the clevis hanger itself. So if we run collision detection again, it will not find any collisions. So it's important to understand that this tool is restricted to just the hanger rods. It is also restricted to elements that are within this model. It will not work with reference models. For those activities, you're still going to have to go out to other products such as Navisworks to double check your collisions. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.